Welcome to Provita Medical. Today we will show you how we ensure the excellent quality of our products. Thanks to the dedication and expertise of our valued employees, we are able to cover an extremely high level of vertical integration. All of this takes place here at our site in Wermelskirchen. Our products help people get healthy and support caregivers around the world in their daily work. With up to 220 tons of closing force, we ensure traceability early on. Date stamps or customer logos guarantee transparency, quality, and security for us and for you. Our multicolor pad printing applies logos and company colors directly to the products. We combine a warm, supportive environment with nutritious, freshly cooked food.
Hop on your bike and head to work. It's simple with Joe Brad financing and safe storage in our bike garage.
Thanks to our 5-axis machining center with robot connection, we can machine complex components quickly and easily 24/7. For our customers, this means maximum precision with shorter delivery times. CNC-turned parts with diameters of up to 65 millimeters are quickly turned for our products.
Thanks to our in-house 3D printing, we can go directly from CAD to prototype and hold it in our hands early on in the development process. This allows us to optimize details perfectly before series production. We used to saw and deburr. Today, we use lasers to achieve burr-free results in 3D, allowing us to work with the pipes optimally in subsequent processes. This increases precision and significantly reduces throughput time. Having the bending process in-house ensures optimal turnaround times for you and us. Our CNC bending machine ensures maximum repeat accuracy and precise pipe geometries, even for complex contours. We perform laser welding in 8 axes, a technology that is unique in the region. Thanks to precise CNC raw material processing, our welding robot can independently grip, align, and weld the parts. This results in high-precision weld seams without any manual reworking.
In our in-house powder coating facility, we use modern baking ovens to guarantee the perfect baking time. Thanks to our quality standards, our adhesion and layer thicknesses are always perfect.
Sustainability is a matter of course for us. Our CNC cardboard machine packs every product precisely. This means we save on material costs, transport costs, and valuable storage space.
We hope that these insights into our production process have demonstrated the extensive range of possibilities we offer. With our investments in state-of-the-art manufacturing technologies, we are also happy to implement solutions for your complex projects and are passionate manufacturers of innovative medical devices made in Germany.